Namaste. Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Entrance Exam Section 2 Mathematics. Question paper problems previous to 2010. Answers and explanation. Part 2. Second part. Problem number 12. 3% when expressed as a decimal is. Option A 0.3, option B 0.03, option C 3.00, option D 300.00. So 3% ಅಂದರೆ 3 percentage-ನ 1 divided by 100 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So in the denominator, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Okay. In the numerator, 3 ಅನ್ನೋ single digit ಇದೆ. 3 into 1 is 3. Okay. 3. This is 1 digit. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 more digit ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ 0 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 2 digit ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ 3 digit ಆದ ನಂತರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಒಂದು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ write it here 0. So 0.03 is the answer. So answer for this question, option B is the correct answer. So that is 0.03. So 3% means 3 divided by 100. So that is equal to 0.03 is the answer. Okay, thank you so much.